going to be showing you how to do wing appliques this morning so you can attach them to anything that you want to. Today I'm using a size H hook, which this one is not giving, or sorry, this one's not giving more information, but it's a, in millimeters, it's 5.5. It's a size 9, I believe, but if you don't have an I, I'm not sure why that one doesn't have that information, but you can also use an H, which is size 8 or 5 millimeters. An I is just going to be slightly larger. Just depends on what size you want your wings, but yeah, either one will work. J as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started in here by chaining 1. Now we're going to do a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to go working backwards across, skip the first chain, go into that second one, and we're just going to do a single crochet into it. Single crochet into the next one, 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 and then the last chain you're actually going to do a slip stitch where you'll put the hook through, yarn around, pull it through, and then you're just going to continue to pull it through the yarn that was on the hook. So it's like that. Chain 1. We're going to skip that first stitch, go into third one, do a single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet on that one. Alright, now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull more yarn over here. Now working backwards, go into the second chain, single crochet, into the next one, single crochet, next one, single crochet. Alright, next one, single crochet, and we're going to continue to single crochet in every single one except for the very last one where you're going to slip stitch again. Make sure I get that through the right one. Pull all the way through. Chain 1. Skip that first chain, go into, or sorry, stitch, go into the third from the hook and single crochet. I'm going to be single crocheting in every one across. And when you get to the end, you will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second chain from the hook, single crochet, and you'll continue to single crochet again through every stitch across until you get to the very last one where you will slip stitch again. Alright, last one, slip stitch, chain 1. Now, depending on the size of the wings that you want, you could stop here and just have that. I like to have 4 rows, so I'm going to continue and show you one more. So turning back around, skip that first stitch, go into the next one, and let's single crochet across. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn back around. And single crochet back across. Now for the wings, the kind of yarn that you want to use is going to be yarn that is a little stiffer. So don't use like a really soft, thin yarn, because unless you are attaching this to something, what's going to happen is you want the wings to maintain their shape, because when you get a second one done, you'll notice that they start to curl up at the top. So if you're attaching this to something where it's just going to be flat like that, well, then it doesn't matter. But if your yarn's stiff or not. But if you're attaching something where you want it to stick up, stand out, you'll have your wings will start to curve in different directions. This one will be on this side, will come up around like that, but your other one will be going around the back. So if you get a stiffer yarn, it'll just make it easier to kind of shape that so that it stays in the correct shape that you want. So, but I mean, that's it. Just go ahead and cut and pull all the way through. And I like to leave those tails on to use to attach it to whatever, but if I hide them, I'll give you a better idea what that looks like. Alright, so now you've got a beautiful wing. Alright, thanks guys.